Today I want to talk about algorithms. The things that you search will more or less come up every time. So that's how algorithms work. Every search company, every search engine has got their own algorithm that relates to your previous searches and shows you more or less the same things that you're searching for next time. So if you think old car that is not made anymore was a bad car, and you search that, it remembers that. And every time you search for anything, it will bring that forward. Now you might say, what's different now from the old days? The old days, the algorithm was in your brain. You used to pick up words, but two people read exact same story or listen to exact the same story, but you interpret it totally different because you take out some certain words that you relate to, and other people relate to differently. So someone can feel negative about what someone said and someone else positive. So it depends on how your brain works, how your algorithm works. So my personal opinion is for everyone to get along. We must change the way we think. We must change your own brain's algorithm. Thank you all. Love you.